Bluetech Finland is all about marine design. That's all we do, only designing ships.
NAPA design was just released when I started using it, so I have seen what it has become. It has developed a lot nowadays. It's very effective. I think it's the best tool in maritime industry to use for structural design and for naval architecture. I really see it as a valuable tool straight from the conceptual design up to when you start the detail design. We have now experienced that it's the best tool to offer also all other disciplines a work environment to work on, and throughout the whole project NAPA can offer various solutions from stability to this building of materials to meshing, and it really helps us to make the best designs as possible.
In my team, NAPA steel is the main tool. We use it for 3D modeling of the structures. We also extract sections, so we make classification design. And then also the 3D model is used to create the FEA models. The ability to have an early 3D model provides a visual model for the customer. It also provides an environment for other disciplines. And then later in the classification phase, being able to use the same model, creating the classification drawings, as well as making the FEA model. These have been very beneficial for us and saving time and keeping the information in one place with one model.
NAPA has taken a huge part on streamlining the whole design process by allowing all of the disciplines to get involved in the project on the same model and having it right on everyone's hands. And it's really easy to communicate with all the key stakeholders during the whole project. We were chosen as a main contractor for hull basic design for Rauma shipyard for TT Line ferry. And we have been working on the ferry from the early basic design, where we took NAPA designer to use, and I've seen the project go from the initial drawings to the production drawings and now to the actual ship that it is. So it's very wonderful to see the whole span of the design spiral.
Yeah, well, the cooperation between Bluetech Finland and NAPA started basically day one when we started the company. We discussed also with NAPA when we ventured into developing our own bulk carrier design. So we got from NAPA right to use their software, and the aim was to get the user's perspective to improve the software. Basically, I've been impressed by NAPA's perseverance in developing the NAPA steel. Fast it became okay, but then it didn't break up to be able to do everything you needed. But NAPA has continued to invest in that software, and it has become now excellent actually tool for basic hull design. I would say the best you can do in 3D, what you cannot do actually with other softwares.
I've been working with NAPA 36 years, and during that 36 years, with 17 years I was with NAPA company as well. Favorite features? Well, that's a tough question. Listing. Because many of the tools that you have, you can create things, you can create models, but then when it comes to the, let's say, reporting, then NAPA has not easy but good tools for documenting your design and getting the results from your design.
Of course, NAPA is a very worldwide company, so they are strong and they know what they're doing, but they have always been supportive towards us. I have basically only good things to say.
NAPA is very flexible and efficient.
And powerful.
And versatile.
It's one of the best